Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable OneDrive folder backup on this laptop. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings, then select Accounts, and here find the Windows Backup option, click on it, then select OneDrive. Then select Setup Sync-in next to OneDrive folder sync-in setting. Click right here. Then enter your email address that is connected to your Microsoft account and click Sign In. Click Next. And now you can choose the folders that you want to back up by switching the toggles next to each folder. Then click Start Backup. Next again. If you want to get the mobile app, click right here and you'll get a link to the mobile app. I'm gonna go do it later. Okay. And now you have your OneDrive folder on your PC. As you can see, OneDrive says it's not syncing yet, but let's restart this settings application. So go back to settings, then go to account, then go to Windows Backup. And as you can see right now, OneDrive is syncing, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.